Get ready for a wild ride! In today's video, we dive into the hilarious world of heavy machinery fails. From epic blunders to jaw-dropping mishaps, these moments will leave you laughing and shaking your head in disbelief. Real-life heroes do exist. This driver risked his life to drive his burning car away from the gas station as it caught fire. Thank God no one was hurt. With its immense weight and massive frame, the truck faced a daunting challenge as it approached the narrow bridge. What a nerve-wracking moment! Watch this talented excavator steal the show as it brings down the house with its jaw-dropping performance. Yeah, it was a monumental failure, but at least we got to witness this incredible acrobatic move. Wow, how thrilling! When the truck tipped over, the driver made a split-second decision to jump out. What a terrifying landslide! Thankfully, the drivers managed to escape their vehicles just in time. The Peterbilt truck hauling coal roars like a beast, kicking up a massive cloud of dust and growling with an unstoppable power that commands attention. The ship is rocking violently in Sino Bay. Oh, there are going to be a lot of seasick people here. A dump truck plunged into a deep ravine, completely destroyed, but the driver was miraculously saved. He escaped just in time. Oh no! This truck has toppled and plunged straight into the river. What a crazy adventure! If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Flames engulfed the factory in an instant, with the rising heat making it hard for onlookers to breathe. The rescue team worked tirelessly to save this truck, but it seemed determined to go down on its own. What a dramatic and catastrophic plunge! Perhaps the module was just too large, causing the crane to lose its balance. Luckily, no one was nearby, preventing a terrible disaster. A dashcam captured the truck speeding past and crashing into a snowbank. A truly terrifying sight. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting content. Just imagine the driver's fear while being in that truck. What a terrifying experience! Watching the excavator slide down the hill is both thrilling and nerve-wracking. It's impressive how it navigates the slope with such skill. Oh no! The rope suddenly snapped, and that car is now beyond rescue. What a shocking turn of events! Although dangerous, this is the fastest way to remove this old crane tower. The sight of those vehicles being crushed under the power of machinery leaves everyone in awe. What a powerful machine! Have you ever seen a sight like this? It's truly impressive. That car looks just like a real racer, ready to take on any challenge. Look, the driver had just enough time to bail out, realizing his cement mixer truck was in imminent danger. Oh no! This is going to be a terrible day for this crane. That's some nerve-wracking work. The JCB operator truly demonstrated their expertise under pressure. The trailer buckled under the timber truck's weight, causing a crash. Miraculously, the driver walked away unscathed. So dangerous! Every vehicle needs regular brake maintenance and thorough inspection before hitting the road. Watch out! This trailer is overloaded, which could lead to serious hazards on the road ahead. Safety first. Let's hope it makes it safely. The excavator demolished that silo as if it were made of paper. In just seconds, the car sank, leaving the owner helplessly watching this heartbreaking scene unfold. The truck sways wildly and tips over dramatically. Fortunately, the driver is safe. What a dangerous rollover! Thankfully, the driver was quick on their feet and managed to escape the vehicle just in time. The crane is lending a helping hand to recover the overturned truck. It's a true testament to teamwork and solidarity in action. Crossing a river with 10 people on board, the truck's strength and performance turned a tough challenge into a victorious journey. For years, the cranes at Inch Green Dock and Greenock were deemed unsafe. In 2017, the city took action and decided to demolish them for good. Crossing this raging stream was indeed a daring act. Oh my God! This truck couldn't maintain its balance while turning and flipped over. What a dangerous situation this is! Honestly, it felt like a circus stunt unfolding right on the road. Everyone passing by had their phones out, capturing every second of the absurdity. The crane miraculously flipped back up after toppling over. What an impressive recovery! The driver of the Carrot K739 Saint is really pushing the limits, going full throttle into turns and almost tipping the trailers. Oh, I have a feeling this is his first and last day on the job. This muddy road is a result of the truck accident, leaving the vehicle looking utterly wrecked and in terrible shape. That excavator operator is impressively resourceful. Winter strikes again with its icy grip. Another vehicle bites the dust. Thankfully, those wheel loaders are here to help. Check out that Hitachi EX210 excavator loading the trailer with ease. It's like watching a master at work. In a dramatic recovery, an excavator battles the swamp to pull a cat tractor free, showcasing remarkable power and precision in the face of a tough situation. The Cat 535 is bravely hauling a heavy load of logs, with its front end lifting and the wheels hanging in the air. What a daring feat! How could a driver make such a basic mistake? Thankfully, the power lines didn't short out during the incident. Have you ever seen an excavator get a face wash? With its impressive 70-ton capacity, navigates the muddy road like a pro. Its drive clearly rises to the challenge. Watching the UAZ 469 conquer extreme off-road conditions is a sight to behold. Nothing can stand in the way of these powerful off-road beasts.